Hi everyone, my name is Ren from Quicksave Interactive. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the machine editor's actions. Actions are fire and forget functions which you can run at the start or end of your machine state. You can also run actions during state transitions. Actions are useful when you do not need to await a function, and you do not expect a return value. Let's take a look at how we can create an action, add it to the machine editor, and see the result. Starting with VS Code, we are going to create an action that updates our context. Within our context, I have created this boolean called hasUpdate. The hasUpdate boolean, by default, is set to false. We will create an action that turns this true. Going to our actions object, I will add a new action function. I will call this update context. It takes a parameter of the context, and then we will create the function which changes the context hasUpdate from false to true. We will do context.hasUpdate equals true. And since it is an action, there is no return value. So there's no need to add a return here. Then I will run the client. Now in our machine editor, we're going to add our action update context to our machine state, which is our root state. We'll go to the node properties of our root state, and I will add a new entry action. I will add the name of our action here, update context, and then save the file. For clarity, we can also add it as an exit action, or when we create transitions, add an action here as well, so that the action will run when we transition from one state to the next. But for now, we will do this as an entry action. Switching to the browser now, I can reload this page and open our dev menu and select the print context option. Here we can see the context hasUpdate has been set to true thanks to our action. One such example of usefulness for actions is to fetch data and set the context. Actions differ greatly from services, as services need to be awaited, and once their promise has been resolved, can then be used to trigger a state transition. Actions don't do this. Actions, once again, are fire and forget. We highly encourage you to experiment with calling actions at the beginning, end, and during transitions of your machine states. We also highly recommend that you subscribe to the Quicksave YouTube channel and stay up to date with our documentation website, where you can find more tutorials just like this. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.